After a close look at the TV and running the test from the power supply, T-con board, and the main board, I actually found out that the T-con board is not the problem. And I tested, everything runs fine. I tested the power supply, including the LEDs, and they're also running okay. The problem is the main board. On a Panasonic, usually there is always this one major issue. This is the newest one, which is the LED, but on the plasmas, typically you'd be either Y or Z boards. But in this one specific is the main board, and I've replaced in the past couple of those. I just ordered another one to repair, to replace it, because the repair probably would be a little bit harder, but I prefer to replace it. So if you did have one blinking red light, which is like every 3 seconds, something like that, that means the issue is the main board. And I would recommend to not do this at home yourself unless you are either a technician or you have enough knowledge to take the risk over. Typically, this type of things can lead on a TV to go bad, because if you do anything beyond the repair, which means if you cause a problem, then it's going to be a waste of the TV. Also, it could cause death by touching the main board with the power in. But I would say recommended don't do this at home unless you are a technician. Other ways, hope you can fix yours just as I'm doing on this TV. And if you do have any question, you can leave a comment on my posting. Thank you. Bye.